Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead from Guaranty RV here in Junction City. I'm really excited to show you this really cool trailer. It's the Nash 22H. This trailer does not have any slide outs. It's nice and short, double axle, insulated incredibly well. Really great for off-roading as well. You're going to notice, look, the awning is almost the entire length of the actual trailer, which is really cool. Generator prepped compartment right there. You could of course use it for extra storage. That is really special. You just don't see that in trailers very often. This is a 4-season trailer, so some people are wanting to go out and elk hunt in November, or go out when it's February and very cold. This is a great trailer for that. The inside is really fantastic. I'm excited to show you. Come on in and look. So what you're going to see here is a really nice bedroom setup. The bed runs east to west, and you do have privacy curtains on both sides. You still have a lot of storage space up top. You've got a really nice shirt closet, and it's very long. In here also you have a great couch and a sofa, place to sit down. It is jackknife, so it will pull out and make into an extra sleeping place or a day bed for you. You just want a place to curl up and read a good book. Look at this, even has a little laptop table to extend out for you to make a little portable office. You can look out the window, work on your stuff. It's pretty cool. You've got right here your microwave, fan and light, 3-burner cook stove, and really good quality. You're going to see a big bump up in quality in every aspect in this unit. Nice oven, and here's where your refrigerator and freezer is, all nor cold. And then you've got this dinette area with more places to store stuff, games, snacks, whatever you'd want handy right here. And this makes into a bed too, so you have 2 extra sleeping spaces in this trailer. The door actually opens in, which I think is neat. And you got to check out how beautiful this bathroom is. You're going to see to the left there is some really nice cupboard areas. Those are for hanging clothes and things like that. You've got plenty of space to put your things. A nice medicine cabinet, a porcelain toilet. It's really good quality. This also has a solar panel up on top. It's got Wi-Fi extender, everything that you would really want to get started. It's already got it, and it would be a fantastic trailer for you guys. We've got several of these in different floor plans. We'd love to show them to you. Give me a call. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.